Get Google Calendar Meet API keys. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google Calendar and Google Meet API keys using Google Cloud Console. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google Cloud Console website. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account since you'll need it to create and manage projects. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top of the page where you'll see the project selector. Click on it and then choose New Project. Now give your project a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you can name it something like Calendar API Project. After entering the name, click Create. After a few seconds, Google will take you to your project dashboard. From here, go to the left side menu and find APIs and Services. Hover over it and then click on Library. Inside the API library, use the search bar and type Google Calendar API. When it appears in the results, click on it and then press Enable. If your application also requires Google Meet functionality, you can repeat the same process to enable the Google Meet API, as long as it's available for your project. Once the required APIs are enabled, the next step is to create your credentials. Go back to APIs and Services from the left menu and click on Credentials. At the top of the Credentials page, click on plus Create Credentials and then select API Key. Google will instantly generate your API key and display it on the screen. This key allows your application to communicate with Google services, so it's very important to keep it secure. After configuring the restrictions, save your changes and copy the API key. You can now paste this key into your application or code, which will allow your app to access Google Calendar features or Google Meet services depending on what you enabled. And that's it. You've successfully created and secured your Google Calendar and Google Meet API keys using Google Cloud Console. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.